Hi, dreamers! Let's get one thing straight right from the start. You were born to be extraordinary. Every single one of you. You were born to shine, to rise, and to take this world by storm. And today we're going to talk about something that's going to make that all possible. We're going to talk about investing in your future Barbie style. This isn't just about putting your money into stocks, bonds, or funds. No. This is about creating the life you've always dreamed of. The life where you control your destiny. The life where your money works for you. Where you wake up every single day knowing that you've set yourself up for success. Dreamer, it's time for you to take charge. It's time to make decisions today that will pay off in the future. And let me tell you, when you start investing in yourself, you open doors you never thought possible. Doors to new opportunities. Doors to freedom. Doors to a future that's all yours. This is your time. So how do we do this? How do we go from where you are now to that financially confident, independent, unstoppable woman you know you can be? Let's break it down. Because it's simple, it's empowering, and yes, it's fun. Step 1. You have to believe in yourself. Barbie never waited for someone to tell her she was good enough. She knew it. And so do you. Investing in your future starts with having the courage to believe that you deserve the very best. Believe that your dreams are not only possible, but that they're already on their way. If you can see it in your mind, you can have it in your hands. But you have to start by believing you are worthy of that life. And trust me, dreamer, you are. Now let's talk about creating a vision. Barbie doesn't just live her life randomly. She's not out here throwing darts at a board, hoping one will land. She has a vision. A clear, powerful, crystal clear picture of her future. And guess what? So can you. You have to see it. Picture the life you want, the house you'll live in, the car you'll drive, the vacations you'll take. Picture the freedom you'll have. And then ask yourself, what do I need to do to get there? That's the first investment, your vision. The second step is knowing where your money is going. Barbie doesn't spend wildly. She doesn't just wish for financial success. She plans for it. She's strategic. And that's exactly what you need to do. Where is your money going? What are you investing in right now? Your future depends on your choices today. Do you know where you're putting your dollars? Because if you don't, that's where we need to start. Start tracking your spending, dreamer. Write it down. See where your money is going and make adjustments. It's like building a house. You need a solid foundation first. Now let's talk about budgeting. Barbie doesn't live paycheck to paycheck. She has a plan. A budget that works for her. A budget isn't a limitation. It's not something that holds you back. It's a tool that allows you to achieve your goals. A budget lets you say, I can do this. I can save. I can invest. It's a map to the life you want. And trust me, dreamer, once you know how to budget, you'll be unstoppable. Every dollar you save is a step closer to your goals. Once you've mastered budgeting, we move on to saving. You've got to save, dreamer. There's no other way around it. Barbie doesn't splurge on every little thing. She saves for what matters. She invests in her future. And so should you. Saving doesn't mean you have to give up your lifestyle. It means you're making strategic choices today that will pay off tomorrow. You want to take that dream vacation? You want to build your dream home? Then start saving for it today. Every dollar you save is a dollar closer to the life you deserve. But saving alone isn't enough. You need to invest. Barbie doesn't just sit on her savings. No, she makes them work for her. She invests in herself, in businesses, in opportunities. And guess what? You can do the same. You need to start putting your money into things that will grow it. Maybe it's stocks. Maybe it's real estate. Maybe it's a side hustle. Whatever it is, the key is to put your money to work. Don't let it sit there. Make it grow. Make it work for you. Now let's talk about investing in yourself. Barbie has always been about learning, growing, and evolving. She's never stopped getting better. And neither should you. Investing in your future doesn't just mean saving and investing in stocks. It means investing in your skills. What can you learn today that will make you a better version of yourself tomorrow? Whether it's learning a new language, taking a course, or honing your professional skills, investing in yourself is the best investment you can ever make. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. And let me tell you, dreamer, the world is your oyster when you're constantly evolving. Start small. Barbie didn't wake up one day and decide to conquer the world. She started with small, smart moves. The same goes for you. You don't need to have millions of dollars to start investing. You can start with whatever you have right now. It's about making consistent, smart choices. Whether you're putting $5 into savings every week or investing $50 into stocks every month, it all adds up. The key is starting now, dreamer. Don't wait for the perfect moment. There's no such thing. The perfect moment is when you decide to take action. Patience. Let me tell you something. Dreamer, financial success doesn't happen overnight. But here's the thing. Barbie's in it for the long haul. She's not looking for quick wins. She's building a future that will last. You need to do the same. Patience is key. You won't see the results tomorrow, but that's okay. Keep investing, keep saving, keep learning, and trust the process. Your future self will thank you. Let's talk about multiple streams of income. Barbie doesn't rely on one source of income. She's smart. She's strategic. And so should you be. The more you diversify your income, the more you set yourself up for financial freedom. Whether it's starting a side business, investing in stocks, or freelancing, find ways to make money work for you. The more you have coming in, the faster you'll build your financial independence. Let's not forget the importance of mindset. Barbie has always had an empowering mindset. She believes in herself, she believes in her goals, and she never lets anything get in her way. You need to adopt the same mindset. You are capable of achieving whatever you set your mind to. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. The only limits that exist are the ones you place on yourself. Dream big and go after it. Live within your means. This is a big one, dreamer. Barbie doesn't spend money she doesn't have. She lives within her means while still enjoying life. It's about balance. Have fun, enjoy the things you love, but always make sure you're living responsibly. You can do both. You can have the life you love and still build the future you deserve. Finally, let's talk about celebrating your success. Every milestone, no matter how small, is a victory. When you save a certain amount, when you hit a goal, when your investments start to grow, celebrate that. Barbie knows that success isn't just about the destination. It's about enjoying the journey. So when you make progress, take a moment to appreciate it. You're doing amazing things. And guess what? It's only going to get better from here. Dreamer, I'm here to tell you that your future is in your hands. You can create the life of your dreams. You can build financial independence. You can invest in your future and make it the one you've always envisioned. It's time to take action. It's time to believe in yourself. It's time to start investing in your future, Barbie style. Let's go, dreamer. Your future starts now.